The Galaxy A57 5G is suddenly back on the radar, and this time the leaks look way more serious. We're not talking about some random rumor floating around online. A newly leaked retail box image just gave us a much clearer look, and yeah, it's got people paying attention again. That box image shows off a flat frame, a clean rear panel, and a triple camera setup stacked vertically. It already looks like something you'd spot sitting on a retail shelf, and one detail on the packaging makes that feel even more legit, which is where this gets interesting. There's also a 24-month warranty badge printed on the box, and that makes the whole thing look retail ready. Add that to the fact that the Galaxy A57 was reportedly spotted on a European retailer's website, and now this leak starts feeling a lot harder to ignore. That listing apparently included official-looking renders along with key specs before launch, so after months of basically nothing, Samsung fans finally have something real to look at. And honestly, this could be the leak a lot of people have been waiting on. The Galaxy A57 5G also showed up on Geekbench, and the benchmark scores are pretty strong. It appeared under the model number SM-A576B, which gives this leak a little more weight, and once you see the numbers, you can understand why people are starting to take it seriously. In Geekbench testing, the phone reportedly scored 1399 in single-core and 4519 in multi-core. For a device in this category, that's definitely notable, and based on everything leaking so far, the A57 is starting to look like one of Samsung's more interesting mid-range phones for 2026. According to the current leaks, the phone may come with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate. So on paper, you're looking at smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals, which is pretty much what most people want in a daily driver right now. Camera-wise, the setup could include a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. That gives it a pretty flexible camera system, at least based on what's being reported so far, and there's still more under the hood. The Galaxy A57 is also rumored to use Samsung's Exynos 1680 chipset. It may be paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and storage could go all the way up to 512GB. So if these details hold up, Samsung could be aiming for a pretty well-rounded package here. Battery specs are looking solid too. Leaks point to a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, which would be a big plus for a mid-range phone. For anyone juggling work, school, or just way too much screen time, that combo could matter more than people think. There are also reports that the phone could bring IP68 water and dust resistance. On top of that, it may come in at just 6.9mm thick and weigh around 192 grams, which suggests Samsung is trying to give this thing a more premium in-hand feel. On the software side, the Galaxy A57 may launch with One UI 8.5 right out of the box. That would mean Samsung's latest features are there from day one, and for a lot of users, that stuff matters just as much as the hardware when you're thinking long-term. So that's where things stand right now. The Galaxy A57 5G is looking more complete with every new leak. The question is simple: is this shaping up to be a meaningful upgrade? Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.